We have performed some subgroup analysis of the AURELIA trial, which was randomizing chemo single agent versus chemo plus Bev in patients with resistant disease. And we had three different regimens, different cohorts of patients treated with either weekly paclitaxel or pegylated liposomal doxorubicin or topotecan. And what we have observed in looking in these different subgroups is that it seemed that Bev plus weekly paclitaxel were very synergistic in these patients with resistant disease, and the outcome of this patient in terms of response rate, PFS or overall survival was much better than the other cohorts. So that was one point studied. The other point is that sometimes doctors are reluctant to use Bev in elderly patients. So we looked at our data and we showed that there was no increase in toxicity in patients who are more than 65 or 70 years old, but except with the hypertension rate. That means that elderly patients indeed have at baseline more hypertension, level of blood pressure which are increased, and they have some facility to develop hypertension during Bev treatment. So these blood pressure should be monitored very precisely in patients with who are elderly. We recommend, particularly in elderly patients treated with Bev, is to monitor every day at home the blood pressure. It's very easy. You have facilities to do that at home with blood pressure monitoring, and we ask the elderly patient to write the results of their blood pressure and to show at the next visit. And we warn them that when they go over certain figures of blood pressure, they should warn their GP or perhaps their medical oncologist.